Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to take a training on what is inland marine insurance policy. Why do you need inland marine when you already have commercial property and when you have general liability? Why do you specifically need inland marine? What kind of businesses need this policy? Say if you have a business where you use personal property that can reside in a specific location, then you can use commercial property. At the same time, when you have a business where your employees use your personal property to run a business, and as a result, a third party got injured, then you can use general liability. Assume a scenario where you have a business where your business personal property has to be like taken all over the world or all over the USA to run your business. That's where you need inland marine insurance. For an example, say your business requires you to take all your products from your head office and then take it all over the world and showcase it to the end users so that they can look at it and buy it. Then you need inland marine. Why do you need inland marine? Say for the period of 6 months, you take a product A, which can be computer or anything it can be. You take it in your truck or some other vehicle which travels in the land. And during that period of time, if some theft happens, like somebody stops your vehicle and they took off all your business personal property, that's where you need inland marine insurance. So that's the first use case. The second use case is, say you have a business, a warehouse business, where you take properties of others. Example, if you have a dry cleaning business where you take cloths from your end users, customers for cleaning and ironing it. If something happens to the customer's clothes, then you need inland marine policies to give required coverage, because these coverages are not given by the traditional commercial property or general liability policies. That's the definition. Inland marine insurance covers products, materials, equipments transported over land or temporarily warehoused by a third party. Now, most of you will have a question. Why do you say inland marine? Because we all know when you say marine, it deals with ocean or water. But you're saying, as per the definition, this insurance covers any business personal property that travels in the land. When they started this insurance policy, they initially started for marine insurance, which covers any loss exposures in the ocean. When I say loss exposures, anything that is exposed to loss. Say in olden days, what happens when you want to ship an item from one location to another location? They used to do it using ship, right? It takes weeks and weeks of time, sometimes months. So during those times, it can have a lot of scenarios can happen, like a water slide or something happens and your property which is there in the ship can get damaged. It's not just the property within the ship, it's called as cargo. Sometimes the ship itself can be damaged, right? So that's what they do have some coverages for ocean marine, right? Like hull insurance. Hull insurance is something that covers your ship if something happens to your ship. Cargo is something that gives coverage to your property within the ship. Liability is something where you drive from one destination to another destination. As a result of your ship hitting other ship, if the third party got injured, then you use liability insurance. Gradually, when this happened, they found a use case where the cargoes can travel inland. That's what they renamed this marine insurance as ocean insurance, which will cover any loss that happens in the ocean, and inland marine insurance, which will cover any loss that happens in the land. Now, let's take an example of inland marine insurance. The first coverage can be bailee's customer coverage. That's what I was talking about. Like, say you have a business where you take customers' products or customers' property and store it in your warehouse. Then if something happens to their property, then you can use inland marine insurance to repay them. Builder's risk. Because we know when a building is constructed as a new building, there are a lot of properties that can move in and out of the building because it's not in a specific location. In those cases, the structures, the newly built structures can be covered under inland marine. Also, any equipment that is used to build the building. Floaters coverage, as I told you, the core coverage for inland marine is if you are taking your business personal property from one location to another location, during that period of time, if something happens to your business personal property, you have to have required coverage, then you can use inland marine coverages. It can be computers or any goods that you take it from one location to another location. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.